Who am I? I remember when I was still very young. That is the time full of sincere discoveries. I wanted to grow up to be some great person. Then I dreamed, like many others, to become an astronaut and surf the space of the universe. I also wanted to do something more, to create, invent, but life runs so fast, I did not have time to look back, as I matured. But I still dreamed of finding my own business, of quitting a job that I simply hated. But life changes, everyone can be everyone. One of the boring days I was flipping through the news and came across some interesting guys. It changed my life. And I am a beginner video editing specialist. Where is the card inserted? There is no time, there are only hour steps by which it is measured. Step a second, another step, a new step over the years. But it is worth making one confident jump in. Time stops, opening all the doors for you. Don't be afraid of anything. Even if you haven't learned how to jump yet, just confidently step forward.